Dear students, in previous video, we have seen activity sheet based on the poem. Now today we will see next activity sheet, that is appreciation of poem based on the Song of Open Road. Now some points are given about the poem, poet and title. तो आपको इसके बारे में 2-3 लाइन्स में आपको लिखना पड़ता है, पोएम के बारे में, पोएट का इंट्रोडक्शन एंड टाइटल. Song of the Open Road is a classic travel poem written by Walt Whitman, who is often called as the father of free verse. He is an American poet, essayist and journalist. So I have written it in a short way. You can also write like this. Now theme. सेकेंड पॉइंट होता है उसका थीम, कि उसका सारांश क्या होता है. यहाँ पे आपको पोएम का सारांश थोड़ा बड़ा दिखेगा बिकॉज दिस थीम इज़ बेस्ड ऑन होल पोएम. बट आपको ये क्वेश्चन आते समय इट इज़ सम फ्यू लाइन्स आर गिवन टू यू एंड यू हैव टू राइट द एक्सपेक्टेड थीम अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट. नाउ सी द थीम. द सेक्शन 1 ऑफ द सॉन्ग ऑफ ओपन रोड फ्रॉम लीव्स ऑफ ग्रास. It is a beautiful blend of self-awareness, free will, tenderness of heart. It gives us poet's realization that along the journey of life, one will face a test of wisdom which is not tested in school or university. A road is something everyone uses, whether rich or poor, and it forces all levels of people to associate with one another. The road signifies mobility. One can take the road as a point to start over towards something new. Poet talks about the people and the places. He argues against staying in one place too long, although the hospitality may be true. The spirit of freedom is expressed in poem through the symbolic reference to the open road where men come together irrespective of their social status. So here road signifies particularly the aim, the goal which you need to achieve in your life. Here road signifies mobility. यहाँ पे ये mobility भी दर्शाता है, जहाँ पे you are not expected to stay in one place for a long time. That means you have to move ahead in life, कि आपको अपने life में चलते रहना है. You don't need to stay in one place. Now see the second point. Poetic style. The poem is written in free verse as the lines are unrhymed and varying lengths. यहाँ पे rhyming scheme follow नहीं होती है and it is written in free verse. पोएट ने अपने विचारों को खुली छूट दे के रखी है. That's why this is called as a free verse. Now next point is the language, poetic device used in the poem. The poet makes use of simple poetic devices such as alliteration, antithesis, metaphor, paradox, repetition. He employs metaphor when he refers to road, which means the road of life. Still here I carry my old delicious burdens. Poet uses paradox here as the line is self-contradictory because burdens cannot be delicious, meaning that one cannot relish burden. The use of such poetic devices helps to convey the message in lucid and expressive way and adds to poetic appeal. The use of imageries. Imageries का मतलब होता है images. The images which makes you visualize something or which makes you feel something. So it enhances the overall appeal to the poem. Words like long, brown describing the road and healthy, free describing the world. So here in poetic devices, you can particularly write poetic devices which is asked in particular stanza. यहाँ पे poetic devices मैंने ज़्यादा दे रखी है because this poem it is the appreciation based on whole poem. But जहाँ पे आपको 8-10 लाइन particular extract की दी हुई रहती है, वहाँ पर आपको पर्टिकुलर क्या पोएटिक डिवाइसेस उसमें आई हैं वही आपको लिखनी है. आप 1-2 पोएटिक डिवाइसेस का एक्सप्लेनेशन भी लिख सकते हैं. देन इमेजेस क्या यूज़ हुई है वो भी आपको उसमें लिखनी है. नेक्स्ट इज स्पेशल फीचर्स. द पोएट यूजेस पर्सनल प्रोनाउन आई to show his own independence in traveling the open road and also his freedom in choosing the road that he wishes to take. The use of I suggests that he wants to live life on his own terms. तो आपको ये पोएम की विशेषता क्या है वो भी आपको दिखाई देगी कि यहाँ पे लास्ट स्टांजा में पोएट ने आई का यूज़ किया है विच शोज़ दैट ही इज़ हैविंग द फ्रीडम टू चूज़ हिज ओन एम, कि उसको अपना एम चूज़ करने का, उसको अपना मार्ग जीवन का चूज़ करने का उसको छूट मिली हुई है. Then next is message, values and morals. The poem conveys the message that we shouldn't be bound by routines of an ordinary life. Instead, we should step out into the open road and live life in a free spirited manner. कि हमको एक जगह में ज़्यादा रहना नहीं है. We should live life in spirited manner. हमारे लाइफ में कुछ एम होना चाहिए ताकि हम अपने एम को प्राप्त करने के लिए आगे बढ़ सके. नाउ लास्ट पॉइंट इज़ योर ओपिनियन अबाउट द पोएम. यहाँ पे आपको अपना खुद का विचार लिखना है. व्हाट यू थिंक वेदर दिस पोएम इज़ वेदर इट इज़ अ गुड रीड और नॉट. आई लाइक द पोएम एज इट डिराइव्स मी टू set out and suggest me to move ahead in life leaving the worries behind. यहाँ पे आपका ओपिनियन अलग हो सकता है. So what do you think? You have to write according to that. This question carries 4 marks and while writing answer in proper way you will get good marks.